Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, we have to open our browser, and in my case it would be Google Chrome. So let me tap on it, and here all we have to do is to simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. I know that you can see the arrow in the red background, but trust me, here we've got three dots icon. Now we have to enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button next to it. But if your list is so wide, at least wider than mine, you probably don't want to waste your time simply. So I highly recommend to tap on clear browsing data, and as you can see here, we've got some basic options which are defaultly marked, and some advanced which are saved passwords and autofill from data. We've got also cached images and files, cookies, sensor data, and browsing history. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So let me mark everything, and here you've got the option, the time range. So you can of course remove everything from the very beginning, but also from last 4 weeks, past week, day or hour, up to you. I will leave the beginning of time. So let's tap on clear data if you're ready. And as you can see, we just go back to the history, which is right now totally empty, and it simply means that we successfully removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.